Hi everyone, welcome back to Snowdonia Stitches. In today I'm going to show you the thumb method of casting on when knitting. So this method gives a really nice edge to your work, really neat, so that's why a lot of people prefer to use this method. So to begin with, you need to gauge how much length you're going to need for your cast on. So say if we're just going to do a cast on of 10 stitches now, you just kind of have to gauge what length you require for your 10 stitches. Okay, so once you've got your length, what we're going to do is we're going to take our yarn and we're going to wrap it around our thumb like so, and just hold underneath, and we're going to get our needle and we're going to go under the yarn like so, and we're going to wrap the yarn around our needle, so it's around the needle and between our thumb. Okay, and then you're going to pull the needle back, pop the needle through the loop on your thumb, and then pull off, and that gives you your first stitch. So we'll do it again slowly for you. So wrap the yarn around your thumb like so, pop the needle underneath the yarn, take your yarn, wrap around the needle, so it's between the needle and your thumb, pull the needle down through the loop and pull off, and that gives you your second stitch. So I'll show you again slowly. So we'll wrap the yarn around our thumb, put the needle through the loop, wrap the yarn around, pull through and take off. Wrap the yarn around our thumb, pop the needle underneath the yarn, wrap the yarn around the needle, pull the needle down, put the needle through the loop and pull off. Yarn around our thumb, needle underneath the yarn, wrap the yarn around the needle, pull the needle down and through the loop on our thumb and pull off. Okay, and you just continue in this way until you have the correct number of stitches needed for your pattern, and that will give you a really nice edge to your work. So I hope this has helped. If you've enjoyed today's video, please subscribe to my channel and I shall see you in the next video.